Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet, tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it, you'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty, and now simply select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually, tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card. Simply select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of the app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.